Right, here's my Tesla coil. This is the update. I've completely taken the thing to bits. Where's the torch? I didn't like it, it was a pile of crap. So it's in bits. So, not a problem. Everything else is still okay. Well, so what I've done now, I'm going back to the way I know best. So I built myself a nice spark gap. Instead of having it mounted into the bodywork like you saw on the earlier videos. So we've got a nice spark gap now. This is where the electrodes go. That's all finished and ready to go. I've ordered some polycarbonate and I'm having it all cut to size so I don't have to mess around with it myself. And all the screw holes are all going to be drilled in and all the rest of it. Some website I used is just cut my plastic or something, so I'm using them to do all the work for me, so I should be able to put it all back together within a day or two. The last design, all on the inside, everything was screwed to the MDF and it just looks shit. It was shit, and the microwave oven transformers are arcing over and it was just a big pile of crap, so I'm rebuilding the whole thing. Better, stronger. Okay. Bloody Tesla coils. That's what's happening anyway. So